Welcome back. Today, I will show you how Gemini 2.0 can help you stay on top of your work by organizing your files and tasks efficiently. It cluttered folders and endless to-do lists are holding you back. Gemini 2.0 is here to streamline everything. Let's be honest, managing files and tasks can get messy. Scattered documents, forgotten deadlines, and an ever growing to do list can make studying productive feel impossible. That's where Gemini 2.0 comes in. So, Gemini 2.0 is an AI powered productivity tool that organizes your files and tasks into an easy to manage system. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly where everything is and when everything is and what you need to do next. First of all, the key features of Gemini 2.0: file organization, automatically categorize and tags your files by easy access. Search optimization, use smart search to instantly locate any document. And tasks management, create, prioritize, and track tasks with clean, intuitive interface. And you have the deadline tracking feature. Sync tasks with your calendar to get reminders before due dates, and collaborative tools like you can share files and assign tasks seamlessly within teams. Let's say, for example, you're working on a project with multiple files like presentations, spreadsheets, and research documents. Here's how Gemini can help. Organize, right? Organize all files on my desktop into folders based on type: document, images, videos, and others. Highlight, yeah, highlight a duplicate for review, right? And within seconds, Gemini will create folders like documents, images, and videos, move each file into appropriate folder, flag duplicate files, and suggest which ones to keep or delete, right? Right here, I'm going to type hypothetically in case as hypothetically. Because I'm not using PC, so that's why. Okay. Hit enter. You gotta wait for a few moments. Now they're assessing my document, and you're gonna wait. And by the way, Gemini 2.0 it's experimental, so you don't actually have much work in, because 2.0 is a work in progress. So it says right here, I cannot actually perform any actions on your computer, like look, created files or moving files, because you're using, because I'm using, phone. But if you're using PC, you could just go ahead to the website and just do what I said: organize all files on the desktop into folders based on my type. Organize all files on my desktop into folders based on type: documents, images, and videos, and others. Highlight duplicates for review, right? And you're gonna see right here, look for files with an extension like GBG, GBEG, PNG, GIF, BMP. And for videos, you're gonna see right here, this is a demonstration from Gemini, right? And basically right here, be careful when deleting duplicates. Make sure you're deleting the correct file and that you don't need both files, right? You could go also in as Gemini if you have a chaotic sorry Yeah, chaotic. Yeah, chaotic. To do list. You're gonna type create a task list with deadlines, right, for the following. Okay, finish report by Friday. Schedule team meeting, right, tomorrow. Be specific and prepare presentation by next Tuesday, right? And you're gonna hit that right here. Prioritize. Yeah. Prioritize. Yeah, prioritize. Based on deadlines. Okay? And hypothetically. Okay, hit enter. You're gonna see right here it says I cannot create, but basically you could just erase that, right? Example. You gotta hit update, and if it didn't, that means that you need to do it on your PC. Okay, as you can see right here, they are searching in the Google Workspace. If you're using phone, or if you're using phone, you won't be able to have access, but if you're using PC, you're gonna be able to access it, and they will do that for you. So the main point is that Gemini 2.0 organizing means a clutter-free workspace, both digitally and mentally, and efficient task prioritization. So you always focus on what matters most. More time for creativity and productivity, less time wasted on manual organization. Gemini 2.0 takes the stress out of organizing files and tasks, giving you a cleaner, more efficient workflow. Try these prompts on your PC today and experience the difference it can make in your productivity. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. You will definitely see you in the next one.